Okay. Welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be teaching you how to install the Lori agency website scripts. This is the Lori business website script of company and agency. So I've gotten the files and the zip folders. So to get this file, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Make sure you just follow that to get the file. So I'm going to teach you how to extract, and now I'm going to set up the entire website. So just keep watching and everything is going to happen seamlessly because the website itself is already made. This is just a script you can just edit. So I've successfully installed it. Now I need to go over to the main to domain and try to set it up from there. So now I'm there. As you can see, it has loaded the installation on, so now let's see if we can bypass it this time. So everything here I'll reject. If you need help installing the scripts after you've purchased it using my link below, just let me know. So now I'm going to create a domain. Sorry. I want to create a database for it now. So database wizard. If you need help installing the script after you've paid for it, just let me know. So what the name is TechWave dot here. So I'm going to give the same name to my database user and just do it that way. Um, yeah. So now waiting for it. I've created the database and database user. So now for little to no distraction, I wanted the database username and database should have the same name. So that can be very easy for me. So let's install it now. So now we are installing the script onto the main domain. This shouldn't take long at all. But let's just see how it goes. So the name um what's on this? Not going to use my name. Username, you can just call me. Let's just go with this one. Email, this is okay. And password can be okay. That's because I'm going to screenshot this so I have a reference for that later. Now I've created the username and everything, so I need to activate the license now. So it's going to activate the license. I'm not going to activate it now. And on it again with the code. You'll be given this code when you put an account. You can get this code when you get the script. So you can just type in this when you got in the script. So it's that easy. You understand? It's that easy. So now I'm going to go to the admin dashboard. So I want to see how it's going to look like for the home page. So I think that's where we're going now. Okay, now we have successfully installed it. But I want to see what the home page of the website looks like. So now let's go back to TechWave and let's see how it looks from the outside. Blank. Okay. So now we are not going to have to edit this. You don't have to edit all this. You don't have to edit every single thing there. But we have successfully installed the website. Site title should be click me agency. So let's see. Okay. So looking for favicons for all these gonna be difficult. So I need favicon. Take let's see, choose from image. Do I have any image? I don't think I have an image. Well, yeah, that is it. We have successfully installed the scripts. So now all that's left now is to configure it and start editing the scripts. So let me see if I can choose from another editing. Yeah, I don't think I like this one all down well. So I'm going to see if I can edit this, edit all these and just change this. So, team options. So you should go under team options. So as long as you've gotten this script, you can have all these for free. All these plugins, the appearance, the newsletters and everything. Everything comes with the website script. Once again, I will leave a link in the description for you to purchase. So you can buy the script audits from a client and everything like that. Very, very easy, very, very fast. So, let us use this is the footer. What you're seeing down here. So when I do this here, I make it take with. So outline should be my number. The number will also be added in the description just in case you're having issues reaching me. So let's see. I want it changed. The hotline should be somewhere here. I can't see it. I want to leave that for now. So I'm going to go for the team option. So let's see if we can edit any of these ones over the header. We should be able to change the header and the footer. I believe so. Enable header top. Let's see. No. So what does this app actually do? If you said me, what does this do? So oh, it just eliminates the background. Let's see. So this let's see. So it only eliminates the it's just that's the one it does. It's just that. So let's see. It's a page. So I want to look at the page. Um, I'm going to see if I can crack this properly very soon. For instance, the type of event agency we have, let's put install the website scope and just like that. Or should I see? Let's see if I can actually change this. Let's see. Menu. Tap into menu, I'm going to go to the options. We want to keep going down. We have to find uh we can find the same page we like. So this is home page on page one, two, three. I think there are about 12 home pages. For which one can we use actually? That's the issue. System option, but I can't find the location or the place to change the home page. So I'm just gonna explore further down and check on the settings itself. Check on plugins, check on the settings. And let's see just how fast we can do this. Mm. So I can't actually find like the subdomain and stuff like that. So I'm not going to end the video here. You have seen how I successfully installed the script. If you need the script, just you cannot simply get it Just forget it by throwing the link in the description below, and that's it for this today. I know I'll let you know.